How to use Churchill Home Insurance UC properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Churchill Home Insurance is a popular choice in the UK, but many homeowners make mistakes that can cost them money or leave them underprotected. The surprising truth is that having a policy isn't enough. You need to know how to use it effectively. One of the most common mistakes is underestimating coverage. Many people assume their standard policy covers full rebuilding costs, but inflation and rising construction expenses mean you might be underinsured. Always check that your coverage matches your home's current value and includes your belongings. Neglecting liability coverage is another frequent error. Churchill includes personal liability protection, but some homeowners reduce limits to save money. This can leave you exposed if someone is injured on your property or if you cause accidental damage. Failing to update your policy is another trap. Renovations, moving valuable items into your home, or installing new features like solar panels can change your coverage needs. If Churchill isn't notified, claims may be delayed or denied. Overlooking discounts is another costly mistake. Churchill offers savings for bundling home and auto insurance, installing security devices, and maintaining a claims-free record. Missing these can cost hundreds of pounds per year. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can delay your payout. Always document damages thoroughly, report incidents promptly, and communicate clearly with your claims representative. Being proactive ensures smoother handling and faster settlements. By avoiding these mistakes, you can make the most of Churchill Home Insurance. Ensure your coverage reflects the true value of your home, maintain sufficient liability protection, update your policy regularly, take advantage of discounts, and understand the claims process. Doing this ensures your insurance works effectively, protecting both your home and your peace of mind.